Hello listeners, welcome back to Listening Matters, your high-end video store here in Hilversum at the Borneolaan 25. Today I'm thrilled to show you a cable from one of our favorite brands, Audioquest from the United States. Today we unpack the Audioquest mythical series Pegasus XLR interconnect cable. Let's unpack it. Yes, here it is, the Audioquest Pegasus interconnect with XLR connectors. The cable is made from the purest copper with a silver plate of about 6%. Audioquest is one of the most famous cable companies in the world, established in the United States already for decades. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Pegasus cable from Audioquest or any other cable from Audioquest company, you're welcome to come over and have a listen here in our premises in Hilversum at the Borneolaan 25. We're always happy to give you a demonstration or give you more information about the products. So don't hesitate, come over and have a listen with us. Happy listening!